What have you planned to do recently? Listen to this story and learn how to use the verb plan. I'm preparing to move into a new apartment. I plan to pack everything that I have. I plan to clean. And I plan to buy new furniture. How do we use the verb plan? To plan to do something means to decide to do something in the future. We use plan before an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. I plan to go on vacation this year. She plans to finish her project this week. We can't use plan before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. Now it's your turn. What do you plan to do in the future? This is American English. Thank you for watching.